What's up, my peoples? It's been a minute. It's good to be back. Hey, if you guys are new to the channel, what's up? My name's Greg. This is HookLife. This is our channel. We've got a great community of like-minded people here that try to eat it, live it, breathe it, sleep it, do it as much as we absolutely possibly can. And if you're wondering what I'm talking about fishing. Specifically bass fishing. If you don't know much about the channel, I live in Indiana. I've got lots of creeks and rivers around me. I'm a kayak angler and I absolutely love chasing around smallmouth bass. This video is, I've been waiting to put this out for a minute, guys. I'm sorry it's taken me a little while, but this is an absolute incredible video. I treated myself this past Christmas to a motor for my kayak. This is the NK180 Pro by Newport Vessels. And let me just say, this thing is a game changer. You guys are gonna be tired of how many times I say that in this video. Just kind of preparing you for that right now. So it's my maiden voyage out on the kayak with the NK180 Pro, and this thing is absolutely incredible. You guys are gonna see what I'm talking about. I was also able to meet up with a guy that I've known for a long time. He just started bass fishing this past year. It was his very first maiden voyage out on a river, and it happened to be at the end of December, and we absolutely smashed him. So I'm excited for you guys to check this video out. If you guys like, love, or interested in kayak fishing, river fishing, smallmouth bass, or what it's like to put a motor on a kayak, you guys are gonna love this video. Let's go. Woohoo! Ladies and gentlemen, we are moving. Oh, this is such a game changer. Oh my word. I don't have any words for how happy I am right now. Oh, this is awesome. You can lean and turn your boat. Oh man. This is wild. All right, screw this. We're going to say hi to Jim. I don't have any foot steering yet. That's coming in the future. So right now I'm using my paddle as a rudder to help me steer the boat. Having the use of your hands between driving from spot to spot is one of the first things that I noticed. And it's just an absolutely incredible feeling. This is a total game changer. By far, the number one most difficult thing to do with my style of fishing is paddling upriver against current. And that's exactly what I'm doing right now, is traveling upriver against the current with very, very minimal effort. This is absolutely nuts. Jim Mitchell. What's happening, bro? Hold on, I can't hear a word you're saying. I look like a donkey you caught, bro. What? I look like a donkey that you caught.
It was big. I don't have anything to measure it with.
Right.
But now I know why you do.
Yeah.
Because it was just like, that's beginner's luck if there ever was.
Dude, this is just a good winter hole too, man. They come here in the wintertime because it's deep water and it's calm.
It was just the first place that I saw that
looked juicy. Yeah.
And so I pulled out 2 smallies and 1 confused spotted.
Yeah.
So, but the spotted didn't look that big.
That's awesome, man.
Man, the first one I caught, I was like, that's good enough. And then that second one came and it was a hog.
Yeah.
I was like, holy shit.
Yeah, man.
So getting on a decent fishery, because I just started bass fishing this year.
Yeah.
So being on a decent fishery outside of Fairfield Lake,
yeah,
or whatever, it's a different animal.
Yeah, for sure.
This is slow.
This is slow.
I cannot wait for for spring.
For me, I haven't explored much beyond here.
Yep.
A lot of people during the warm weather months, they're like, oh, it's shit, you know. And I get it. It's a big ass body of water,
Right.
you know. But in the wintertime around here, it fills the need.
Dude, like, what's going on?
Good to
man?
see you, man.
Thank you so much
Yeah.
for everything. Like, all of the
No worries,
tips,
man. No worries. It's all good.
My maiden voyage has been absolutely.
That's awesome. That fills my cup.
Yeah, dude. I'm losing tons of tackle, but I don't really care.
Who cares? That's why we got a Dixon and Academy.
Dude, that's what I told my wife. I was like, bro, like that one fish. If I sat out here all day and
Yeah.
basted,
Yeah.
I'm good.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, I think I've done what I can. If you want me to move out of here,
No, man. You
right.
do you.
Well, I
You-
mean, I got my good one.
So yeah, those spots that I showed you, those pictures, yeah, those are my typical haunts. But now that I've got this mother trucker,
Oh shit, what's that telling you?
this is throttle control. Yeah, this is throttle control.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah,
That would change the game because this is kind of a lot.
yeah,
But you know, it is
Yeah.
what it is. Like, I'm happy to have it.
yeah. I got to get used to it too. You know, I'm just like the fact that I'm over here in a minute compared to 10.
Bro, right?
It's a total game changer.
Dude, this is so much fun.
Yeah, this is a really good spot too. This is this is deep water. This is wood. This is sunlight. Like,
This is like, seriously, I'm so glad my first voyage I didn't have to travel too far because I'm nervous.
yeah, sure. You digging the kayak?
I am.
Nice.
I feel like I should have done something else as my first one, but this one's gonna grow with me.
Yeah, who cares,
You know what I
dude?
mean?
Yeah, this is still my first one, and I was rigging it up. I'm like, I wish I had this, and I wish I had this, and make lemonade out of the lemons you got.
Like I'm happy with it. I'm not confident enough to stand up in it.
Yeah.
Anytime soon.
Yeah,
So
all in good time, man.
that's what I'm saying. I'm just taking it slow. And this is slow. I'm loving life, man.
Yeah,
Man, I wish I would have had a fucking measuring board.
a good thing to do is use the butt of your rod as a measuring stick. Put the butt of the rod at the tip of the tail,
Yeah.
and then you can like notch. You can notch in your cork or notch in your foam.
Yeah.
Was that your biggest smallie ever?
Ever.
Yeah, there you go.
100%, and I have no idea how big it was.
PB Smalley.
Yep. Absolutely.
PB Smalley, man. What'd you get him on?
The fucking Ned rig.
Nice.
The Ned rig with the skirt.
Yeah, okay, cool.
Wouldn't have been able to make it happen without your advice, brother.
No way, man. I'm happy, you dude. The fact that you're out here fishing and we're sharing the water together, you know what I mean? And you just caught your PB Smalley.
They fight so much better than largemouth.
Oh, dude, they grow up. They've lived in a treadmill their whole life.
I got a good video with them and everything. Got a good video of the release.
Nice,
I'm gonna keep that one.
nice, man, nice.
Awesome, brother.
Good deal, man. Keep at it.
Absolutely, go catch them.
I'm gonna try. Actually, I'm gonna throw up over here. All right, we're back to our normal spot. We're throwing a free rig. We're changing it up this time. We're putting a bellows shad on here. Typically, I've thrown the scented jerk shads quite a bit, and I'm not moving away from there, but I've been thinking about throwing this bait on this rig for a while. Because of all the ribs in the body, I have a feeling it's going to sink slower than your typical fluke style bait. So I've been wanting to give this a shot for a little bit. Okay. Oh man, he was there. He thumped it good too. Dude, this is so cool. I can't even begin to tell you guys what a game changer this is. Oh, there's a little hole back there. In the past, it would have legit taken me 10 minutes to go from spot to spot. It literally took me 60 seconds to do this. I am completely blown away at how much more fishing time I'm going to have. Just dropped off from like 2 to 5 feet. This is an area that I have not explored very much. And we are going to change that. Fish out. That's a nice one. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Right into the net. Right into the net. Yes. 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 Man, you're a beautiful fish. Look at you. On that free rig. 15, and I'd say you're a 15-inch fish. Yep. Beautiful coloration on you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, ma'am. I appreciate you. Solid little 15-inch fish. I'll take a few more of those and be a happy camper. She's in the current. This fish feels a little bit better. Oh, yes. That fish feels a little bit better. Oh, yes. The free rig getting it done. All right. This fish might possibly go 18. Beauty. Beauty. Pinned decently on that free rig. Their mouths are so hard this time of year. Whoa, 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 whoa. Are you gonna be, you are not 18. Nope. 16 3/4. Beautiful fish. Not big enough for winter smallie games, but we're gonna keep trying. As always, free the fighter. All right, that's 2. They're not coming from that deep. They're not coming from that shallow. They're definitely coming out of deeper water, 100%. I ain't mad. Not one single bit. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it one single bit. It's not going to count for anything except for getting out on the water at the end of December and having a badass time. This is the spot. They're loaded.
I gotta tell you, this is already the best day of fishing of my life. I'm bored.
guys. I've got, dude, they're just here.
Dude, I love it. So, okay, so if I'm gonna fish here with you, should I get out here?
Either or. I'm gonna whatever. If you want to try back there, you can. If you want to come up here, you can. I've pulled from this general area. I've pulled 5 fish out in 20 minutes. Yes, I love jig fishing. I love jig fishing. How do you complain about this at the end of December in Indiana? You don't. He didn't even thump it. He was just there. Get in here. It's just a school of 15s down there. Just a school of these guys. Some of the pickups I haven't even felt them. They've just been there.
That's what I've been dealing with too.
Yeah.
The big one that I caught, man, I like went to lift and it was just like gummy or something.
Yep.
I set it anyways.
Yep. Hook sets are free. So this is the first time you fished the water, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, nice. It's a whole nother world out here. I'll never forget my first float with a couple local buddies, and I didn't catch a damn thing, but afterwards I was just like, I have no idea what I'm doing. Like, I've got to learn everything all over again.
That's how I felt whenever I got out.
Yeah. You spend your whole life casting away from the bank. You know, next thing you know, you're casting to the bank. You're like, what the? Well, and one of the cool things is the river changes every year, right? So you get these log jams, and fish love log jams. And then like the sand ridges, they change because the currents, the ice moves log jams. So it's like the river changes. It's amazing. Just swimming with it. Just swimming with it. Just swimming with it. No thumps, no nothing. Jim's having the best day of his life. We're doubled up on smallies. What's the date today? December 28th? Not a giant, but a gorgeous specimen anyway. Having a killer December 28th out on the river. We got Jim behind us having his best day fishing ever. Cheers to you, my man. All right, I'm gonna give you a break. See if we can't find any jerkbait eaters. jerkbait eater. Holy shit, that's a nice one. Oh, come here, dude. Oh, nice. That's the best one of the day. That might go 18. Yes. 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 Maybe 18. We'll see. On that 12 Oaks Custom. All right, buddy. Let's see. Are you 18? You are not. You are 17. 17 and a quarter. Nice. Cheers. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Jerkbait bite is happening. Jim's doubled up back there. We're doubled up. This is awesome. I'll be right back, Jim. I'm just going to go check out some new waters right here. Just looking for some depth. Whoa. Whoa. Super shallow. GoPro's dead. Just checked out some new waters, never fished them before. Nice spot. What's up, homie? You look like you need a tan, but you've been eating good. Fishing brand new waters. That's why we are here. I set the hook and I thought I was snagged. That is the best fish of the day, 18 inches. Yeah, buddy, let's go. Free the fight.